Your Excellency, together with your colleagues from the People's Republic of China. This year is a special year, that it is the year of the Ops. Your Excellency, Ambassador Guo, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to Zimbabwe, Honorable Ministers here present, the Acting Minister of Foreign Affairs, Honorable Professor uMnu, the Minister of Finance and Economic Development, Honorable Professor uMnu, and the Deputy Minister of Health and Child Care, who went to China together with a representative from Finance and from the Medical Authority of Zimbabwe, MCAS, Mr. Rukwata, to go and correct our first consignment of the Sinopharm vaccine. It has not been lost on us that in time of need, China's response has been swift, resulting in this donation being the first vaccine to reach our country. This is yet another demonstration of the long-standing bonds of friendship and solidarity between our two countries. I therefore take this opportunity on behalf of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, the government of Zimbabwe, and indeed on my own behalf, to thank you, and through you, the government of the People's Republic of China, for this timely donation of the much needed COVID vaccine.
Between our two countries, our two peoples, we enjoy the comprehensive strategic partnership of cooperation and profound friendship. And we have 1.4 billion population in China. They also need to be vaccinated. We are also facing the enormous demand and supply of vaccine in China. But Zimbabwe is our brother. So the assistance of vaccine, the supply of vaccine to Zimbabwe is not a problem. There's no problem with that. We are also very pleased that China is the first country to make commitment to the world that as soon as our vaccine is developed, we will make sure it become a global public good. And now we are realizing our commitment. This is the promise made by the Chinese president.